Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial. I am super hyped because I'm back with another video, and I got a new palette that I'm going to be using. I finally got the Take Me Back to Brazil. So we're just going to jump right into this look. I went ahead and primed my eyes. I get this question so much, like what do I prime my eyes with? And I just use concealer. I use the E.L.F. HD Lifting Concealer. You can get this at Target. I always use this because I like the coverage on it, and I got it in the shade Fair. I don't use it underneath my eyes. I use this to prime my eyes because it's very, very light. That's why my eyeshadow, like my colors, always show up so like vibrant because I use a whiter base. Does that make sense? Okay. So that's what I used. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this in place with a translucent powder. Just like that. And this brush that I use to set it is the Sigma F03 brush. I really like this brush. It's actually like a highlighting brush, but I like to use this to set the concealer on my eyelids. Okay guys, so let's jump right into this look. I finally got the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this is what the inside looks like. So I was thinking about doing a like a bold yellow eyeshadow look. So that's what I'm gonna do. Is something, vibrant, pretty for like summertime, and it's really easy to do. So yeah, try to make sure like all my looks are just easy to follow, easy to do. Doesn't take a whole bunch of money to do it either. So I'm gonna take this yellow, the one right in the second row, not the second row, in the third row of the palette. I'm gonna take this on a Anastasia A12 blending brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the crease. Just putting this in the crease. We're not using any other shade. It's just going to be a yellow look all over the eyelids. Just going to keep building this up. It looks pretty nice. It's blending really nice. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Nice, you guys, right? Like, you can see it. It's not chalky. It's blending really good. You just have to keep building it. But every yellow, it's like you have to keep on building it. Guys, so I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow, and this is a Makeup Addiction shader brush. This is the same brush that I always use to pack on eyeshadow on the lid, and it is clean. It's just left like a little, it's a little pink, but it is clean. I'm gonna pick up that yellow and just place it all over my lid. You guys, the pigmentation is nice. Look at this eye and look at this eye. This is the one I just packed on all this yellow right here, and you can really see it. So that is it, you guys. Super quick, super easy to do, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. I can't see, but these are cute. Okay. So yeah, this is really cute. I'm loving this look already. And these lashes though, these lashes are everything. And these are the BoldFace Glam lashes. So you guys know I'm gonna moisturize first, and I'm using, of course, my Pond's face moisturizer. This is everything, you guys, everything. So I'm gonna go back to my fave, which is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 09 Tan. And look, you guys, like, I'm running out. I'm running out because this foundation is bomb. So you guys, for concealer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. So I'm going to blend this out with the same Makeup Addiction Beauty Blender. So now you guys, I'm going to go ahead and set all the areas that I placed the concealer with my Airspun powder. Alright you guys, so I have my mic on my shirt this whole time, but it wasn't plugged into the camera. So excuse like the audio. I know it sounds better now, so I'm sorry about that, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Saddle. And I'm just going to use this small contour brush that I got from Marshall's. And I'm just going to like squeeze the brush just to get on the side of my nose. Just lightly contour my nose. I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup in place using the Kiss Pro Touch setting spray. I really like this setting spray. So while my face is setting, I'm going to take the same yellow shade and blend it out on my lower lash line with a Sigma E25 blending brush. Okay, so you can definitely leave it just like this, just to go ahead and apply some mascara to your lower lashes. But I'm going to apply some glitter. Like, what look would it be if I didn't apply no glitter? I'm joking. So I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to, let me get my brush. I'm going to apply the glitter glue with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A27 brush. Just going to pick up a little bit, so I'm going to put it as close as I can get to my lash line. The glitter I'm using is from Certifeye. I don't know the name, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm using the same brush to pick up the glitter. And if you don't want to do this step, you can definitely put glitter in your inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face with one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm using the ABH A23 highlighting brush. So I went ahead and lined my lips with just a dark brown lip liner, and I kind of filled it in. So I'm just going to apply a lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lip Gloss in the shade Unreal. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming very soon. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.